to the Feather Place DIY channel. My name is Anna and I'm going to be showing you how to make a pair of feather eyelashes today. You can use many different kinds of feathers. I'm going to be doing the peacock sword today, but I've also made a few pairs here with the guinea feathers and partridge feathers as well. There are so many different kinds of feathers on thefeatherplace.com, so pick your favorite one and let's get started. We're just going to be using some quick dry tacky glue, although you can use any adhesive that you like. However, please wait at least 24 hours before you put them on your eye in case the glue isn't dry yet and you end up with permanent eyelashes. I am going to start here by cutting the spine to match the edge of the lash. If you want to go ahead and place it on there and sort of, eyeball it, and then cut a little bit extra just in case, because you can't really, it's hard to add more back on, but you can cut more off always. I'm gonna take it and sort of shape it a little bit. You want to start to get a gentle curve going on it so that you can kind of, like you do with your fake eyelash when you prime it to go on, sort of this. Making sure that this is the length that you want and trimming it as you desire. I'm also going to use my alcohol and cotton tip to sanitize the edge of the spine. And let that dry. And while I'm letting that dry, I'm going to cut the second one. So I have my feathers cut to the length that I would like them to be, and now I'm going to adhese them to the lash. What I'm going to be doing is similar to what you want to be doing while applying the lashes, sort of just dotting on glue to the spine, taking care to not get too much on the feathers because it will cause them to clump up. And that's not really the vibe, unless you're going for that. So I'm going to be placing the spine along the very edge of the lash line. One good way to get the feather to stick better, if you have time and a razor blade, you can take the razor and score the edge of the spine to make it a little more pliable and easy to stick on here. That is up to you. Should be fine either way. So the glue has finished drying here on both pairs. I've created these beautiful, elegant peacock spear fake eyelashes that I can wear to a party, a festival. These are great for Halloween. Super elegant. Loved making these, and I hope you enjoyed making them as well at home. Thank you so much for watching this DIY. I hope to see you again soon for our next creation. Bye!